Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you have a little fur baby at home that you love and want to make sure it eats the right amount on time and you can watch them while they do it, you're going to love this pet feeder that I got from Penthouse Paws. This is a top-of-the-line luxury pet feeder that has completely changed my life. Because it has a very clear HD camera and wide angle, I can go and spy on my little kitty cat Elsie and make sure that she's eating, especially when we're away from home. This also has night vision, which is awesome. You can record your voice calling your cat and it'll play 10 seconds before it feeds. Kitty cat, come here, Elsie. Kitty cat, come here, Elsie. I found that this does not jam even with different size food. It also comes with an app where you can control absolutely everything, and that's where you're going to go in and be able to see the viewer so that you can watch your cat. This is also where you'll go to schedule feeding times and the number of servings. Total bonus, I also use it as an intercom when I want to talk to my husband.
Babe?
Yeah.
Can you make me some tea?
I can't recommend this pet feeder enough. In fact, I'm telling all my friends and family about it. It would make a fabulous gift for someone, or just keep it for yourself. And that's my point of view.